If you're running a small business from home with more than one computer, you know how important it is to keep things organized and efficient. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to connect your computers together on a network. This will allow you to easily share files, access programs like QuickBooks from different workstations, and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. Hello, and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Okay, the first and most crucial step is to ensure all the computers you want to connect are on the same network. This usually happens automatically if they are all connected to the same router via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. You can quickly verify this by looking at the network name on each computer. Your network identifier will be different than mine. Just make sure they match on all computers. Next, we need to make sure your network profile is set to private. Click on your Start button, click on Settings, go to Network and Internet, and click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how you're connected. Here, you can make sure you're set to Private Network. Make sure you do this on every computer you want to connect. Now let's enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. Back in your settings, click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Advanced Sharing. Make sure network discovery and file and printer sharing are both turned on. You'll also want to go down to All Networks and ensure that password-protected sharing is turned on. Public folder sharing can be useful if you need to access files or folders in your public user account, for example, your QuickBooks file. Under Public Networks, I tend to make sure that network discovery and file and printer sharing are both turned off. One more thing you can check to make sure you have a smooth network connection is to verify the login IDs of your user accounts. Click on your little search icon and type NETPLWIZ. Open this up and you'll see all the users on your computer. If you check the properties, it'll give you the correct username. You just need to make sure you know the password for the computer that you're trying to access. You must have a password set up for this to work. Real quick, I want to tell you about my guides that I've created to help you get the most out of your technology. I have several different ones that you can get instant access to, and I'll be creating more soon. Check the link in the description after the video. All right. With these settings in place, your computers should now be visible to each other on the network. If you open File Explorer and click on Network on the left-hand side, you'll see all the available computers on your network. To access this computer, just double-click and type in the username and password from the previous step. Now you have access to all the files on the other computer. It's important to consider security when networking your computers. While setting your network to private provides a basic level of protection, here are a few more things to keep in mind. First, ensure all your computers have strong, unique passwords. Secondly, keep your operating system and antivirus software up to date. Also, be cautious about clicking on suspicious links or opening unknown email attachments on any computer connected to your network. Attacks on one computer can bleed into others on the network. Occasionally, you might encounter issues like not seeing other computers on the network. Double-check that network discovery and file sharing are enabled on all devices. Ensure all computers are on the same network and the network profile is set to private. Then try restarting your computer as well. This can resolve temporary connectivity problems. If you're still having trouble, consult your operating system's help documentation or your router's manual. And that's it. Now you've learned how to network your computers to share files between them, making your home-based business operations much more efficient. Remember to prioritize security and keep your systems updated. Let me know in the comments how easy it was for you to connect your computers over the network. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out this other one for more tips on getting the most out of your tech. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.